What's up, everybody? Make sure to smash that like button.
We didn't say who are we, and welcome to this video.
And
So
my
let's start
name
over.
is.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. It's Theo and Sophia live of the Dream House.
And make sure to slash his channel too, because he has videos.
It's John JJ.
And ours is Theo and Sophia Tower of Life. I mean, Life of the Tower.
So today we at China Buffet, and we ate a lot of food.
And those are the food that we're gonna throw away. Mommy and Daddy's still eating food.
And we got more, but we ate it all.
Yeah. So,
Let's play.
Or some food right there.
oh, let's go, guys.
Let's put our mask on.
We're in a place right now. Let's go.
Wait, I need to find my.
Okay, guys. Yeah, food. They're right here. My favorite section is right here. And there's ice cream here. My most favorite section. And here. And here. And we found there. There. And my cousin shut it up. Where is he? Guys! He's there! And I just showed a lot of food to them. Yeah, so this is salad.
So, this is salad. The one that Theta don't really eat it, but he still eat it sometimes. And then this way. So these are soup, and their favorite is this.
Egg soup. But make sure to not put the phone in it.
I know, but it's delicious. And these are some dessert stuff.
And these are my favorite. This is my favorite section.
Where?
Here. They're unhealthy stuff.
But they're yummy though.
Yeah.
Let's see our ice cream.
The ice cream place pretty dirty.
Yeah. I see the spoon. Here.
And we also have cake.
Yeah, we got cake. We got
Bread with some cream and
I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Let's just get back. Oh my gosh. Come here and what? Come here.
And guys, ugh. And let's come back.
So, this video is done. Make sure to
Slap that like button and hit the bell for more notifications to new video comes live.
bye.